If we are to describe the heart of this king, from what we have heard in today's gospel, he was at least a very trusting man. He was a trusting man not only to those of his close collaborators, but even to the lowest of all peoples, like his servants. Ipinagkatiwala niya ang mga ginto sa mga alipin niya para sila din ay matutong magpadami ng mga bagay na ito. That trust from the king made at least the first two servants productive and fruitful. They gained more and was entrusted with more because they knew for themselves that this king trusted us so much. Pinagkakatiwalaan kami ng taong ito. But the third servant or the other servant failed to see the trusting heart of this man, of this king. He had some fears and inhibitions. He had some questions and doubts. And that is why, instead of making it fruitful or adding it up, he was not able to work on for that coin. He kept it in storage and was afraid of doing so. If there is one thing, my dear brothers and sisters, that we would need to rejoice with, that is more than us trusting God, God trusts us so much as well. And that trust of God to all of us is but a beautiful driving force for us on our end to do things well, to be productive, and to hear the Lord telling us, you can do it. I trust you. You will be great in this life. Earlier, as I've said, we offer our Mass today for all the ministers of the Church. I intended to celebrate this Mass since 3 years ago, right on this very cathedral. Father Oman, Father Aldwin, Father Paul, Father Tom, and myself received ordination to the Sacred Order of Deacons through the laying on of hands of our Archbishop, Cardinal Joe Advincula. At kung meron man po akong karanasan ng Diyos bilang diakono noon at pari na ngayon, ramdam ko po lagi ang tiwala ng Diyos sa akin at sa kanyang mga lingkod, sa ating pong lahat. He knows very well our weaknesses, our limitations, our sins, and even our own negligence. I even once read this catchy quotation from an American priest or author. When God called all of us, He even made notice of our own stupidity. Kilala ng Diyos kung sino tayo at kung sino ang pinipili niya at ang pinagkakatiwalaan niya. But with all of these, He trusts us so much that He gives more and entrusts more to all of us. I can say that sometimes ministry is demanding and drowning, but this ministry will always be an experience of the Lord telling all of us, not only me, I trust you, you can do it, you will be great with it. Once more, my dear brothers and sisters, we rejoice not only we can trust God, but because God trusts us also. Hear the Lord telling you, I trust you, you can do it, you will be great in this life.